Why is it so difficult for couples to walk away calmly before everything escalates and turns explosive?
I'm in my waiting seat for it. Like, I had a reason to do every bit of what I did. I'm not even going to say I didn't do it because you see my hand. Like, bro.
Let me see your hand.
Like, I worked too hard. All my shit basically robbed me. Like, bro, I came down here to get my shit on my lunch break and then went left. Yeah, so I busted that window out. Yeah. But I've also got robbed. Just so when we was talking, I've been talking to you for like a month now.
Boyfriend then?
Yeah, you can say that. Like, we took a Florida trip, came back, all my stuff, hit my debit card for so much money. So I came down here to get my shit on my lunch break.
So you're staying here, I take it?
Who?
You?
No, I don't live here.
What kind of stuff are you trying to get?
My clothes and stuff, because he had my stuff in his car. My clothes, I have a bag full of stuff that he had up there, nothing else. Like just my clothes. All my stuff that he had in his car.
Will somebody talk to him?
Yeah. So we was dating. He had all my stuff in his car, all my stuff. I went school shopping, all my kids and stuff. I had stuff in his trunk. So where we went shopping the other day, I didn't get to get it out.
Okay.
All my kids and stuff where I went to city trains. I literally have a bag where I went shopping in Columbus. We were together. None of my stuff, like I don't know what the he did with it.
So it was in the car.
Yeah.
He wouldn't give it to you.
Yeah.
You got upset.
Yeah.
And then did you punch the window?
No, I busted it with something.
With what?
Mind you, like I woke up this morning, all my cards were like stuck money off my cards. So I might have left them laying, like me over.
With that pole?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you used to bust it? The fence railing thing
Yeah.
there?
All over a phone. The phones are in my name, right? And she said she wanted her phone back. She paid $40 for it. I told her she wasn't getting the phone back because the phones are in my name. If I wanted to be a real life, I could take all the phones from her.
You need a squad, man. You're bleeding.
And
You need a squad.
no, it's just my nose. I think it's just a little. When she busted
Some glass
the
in
window,
there.
the glass hit me. Yeah. This is why I said I've been sitting right here when she busted my window out. I haven't moved.
For this?
I was trying to leave.
What's your name?
He had all my clothes and stuff, bags where we went shopping in Columbus, school shopping for my kids in his car. We broke up in the meantime. He was down here doing whatever what they do down here. Simple as that. I woke up, all my cards were hit. Money, like everything. Like bro, anyway, I was pissed.
Money's off your cards?
Yeah, robbed the out of me, like, bro. Man.
What kind of cards are they?
I had a little bit of, like, I had 2 cards, like, bro.
Like credit cards or gift cards?
No, cards with debit cards, income tax cards, which I didn't have much. I still had over at least 1,000. Anyway, I busted the window. I'm guilty of it. And after that, yeah, like, bro.
So you are dating?
Not no more, we're not.
Okay.
We woke up this morning. That's when all this shit started.
Y'all live together?
No.
Okay. Kids together?
No.
You want press charges?
Would it be assault?
Assault, manslaughter, or criminal mischief?
Yeah.
No, mischief, yeah.
You do?
He's the one that
Antagonize everything. Yeah, who else can use them? That's crazy.
Where'd they get used at?
Oh, bro, Cash App, like everywhere. All these motherfuckers out here, I don't know who the did it. You know what I mean? We haven't been talking that long. We took a Florida trip, came back. I had all my stuff in his car. We went shopping yesterday. I had tons of school clothes. I had my debit cards. I wake up this morning. My cards were hit with so much money. Cash App, I don't know. So I came down here. I said, I need my stuff. None of my kids, nothing's in there. Every like my bag they put in the garage. Like, bro.
Does he live with you?
No.
Alright. You need the ambulance for your hand?
No. I don't know.
You want squad come check you out?
No, it's fine.
You want him at least to bandage it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, she admitted that she used that post over there to break his window.
What did I stand here live for?
Can you, with your non-bloody hand, pull up your thing to show the charges?
No, my phone's dead, and he won't even.
So I missed that with the 2 new phones.
Yeah.
So one was yours, and you linked all of your stuff to it.
No, he must have. I didn't link nothing to it. I haven't had a chance to. I must have left my cards laying with him.
Let me recap what you told me, and you tell me
I
if
just
I'm
woke
wrong.
up that in my.
So you wake up.
Yeah.
He's your boyfriend for the last month.
Yeah. Mhm.
You've got $1,000 off of 2 cards.
Yeah. Mhm.
So you come down here to get obviously your money and your kids' school stuff,
Yeah.
right?
Uh huh.
And then he said no or something.
Yeah.
So then
None of my stuff's there.
you got angry and grabbed the pole and
Yeah.
broke the window. Okay.
Well, yeah, we was basically fighting.
But you don't have a way to show me any of the charges or anything like that right now
No,
that he made on your account,
Yeah,
apparently.
it says Chris was getting cash apps, and then it's like switched to another person. It's not. They're not all from him. There's definitely a couple from him. Like,
I
bro.
have a squad come. What's he want to do with anything?
He said the same thing. He'd like to pursue charges for mischief or assault, whatever.
You asked me about the cards, Cash App, or whatever.
No, he said that she came in here being all crazy about a phone. He said he pays for it. They broke up this morning, and then she busted his window, and he's been sitting there. He still had glass all over him.
So, what got her so angry to break your window?
She messaged me this morning, told me that she was done with me. So I was like, that's fine, you know. We can be done with each other, you know.
Yeah.
That's cool. And then automatically she came back and she's like, well, I want my phone or my $40 that I paid for the phone. I was like, I can give you the $40, but you're not getting my phone.
Yeah.
You know, because the phone is in all the bills are in my name. The bill's in my name.
All right. You guys just been dating for a month, don't live together type of thing?
Yeah.
So she said there was money missing off of her cards. Do you know anything about that?
No.
So there's a bunch of money off a couple cards that she had, like Cash Apps and things.
No.
Do you have anything to do with that?
No.
She said you had property in your car, like school clothes and things when you went shopping the other
I
day.
don't know if they're still in here or not.
Like that's what she's claiming she was trying to get. How did it escalate to where her breaking the window? You just
I was going to leave.
Okay. And you wasn't talking to her type of
I was
thing?
trying to pull away. And
All right. Where are you all injured at?
it was just here and the little pieces around my eye where the glass hit me in the face.
Okay. And she swung that to do it?
Yeah.
So you're wanting to press charges against her for breaking your window and
Yeah.
also.
But if her stuff is in here, like, she can have it. Like, I don't want
What
her
about
stuff.
assaulting you for your injuries?
Yeah, I'm going to press charges on all that.
But just to clarify, you didn't take any money from her?
No, I did not.
Out of any of her accounts?
No.
So if we go like through an investigation, like she gets me bank records and I pull stuff, nothing will link
Nothing
back to
was
you.
on my name.
Okay. Cool. You know the people over there on the porch?
Yeah.
Will you see if they were witnesses or will be witnesses?
Yeah, I will.
Any of y'all here or seen anything? What's up?
We seen it. We seen it
Yeah? Just her breaking the window?
over a phone.
Yeah,
That's crazy. Over a phone, really?
well, yeah, just the weapon of choice is
She
dangerous.
broke his window with a bar.
No, it's a piece of his fence here. She done yanked it off. I was here the other day, saw that piece, she done yanked it off and broke his window. She lucky she didn't hit him.
Is he okay?
Yeah, she lucky she didn't hit him. He's alright, besides the little shards of glass, that stuff lasts a long way. He been picking that shit off for a minute. So, alright y'all. Have a good day.
Did you ask him about it?
He said it might. The kids' stuff might be in there.
In the trunk?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go home and talk about it.
There's shit in that trunk. It's pointless. I wouldn't react to like that. Why would he leave my kitchen there? It's the whole back that he put in the garage. Like, bro, he's full of shit. Like, bro.
Where's the kids' stuff at?
I don't know if it's all the way in the backpack or where it's at.
Okay. Are you wanting to
They
get
get
checked?
out.
Are you wanting to get checked out by the squad at all while they're here?
Nah. It's only that little cut right there. I mean, they can look at my eyes. I'm trying to get no glass in my eyes if they want.
You got any glass in there?
Oh, I don't know. It feels like it. Maybe not.
So I didn't see none.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say if you got glass in your eye, you'd probably be able to feel it. Yeah. Is this all her stuff?
No, this is my stuff.
Okay.
It's just I don't know what she's talking about, like her kids and stuff, because she got all of her shit out of this car yesterday.
It sounds like she's talking about like some new stuff. Did y'all go shopping yesterday?
Yeah, we went shopping yesterday, and when I took her to her aunt's, she got stuff out of my car at her aunt's. Then when I took her down to that homeless shelter down there to drop her off, down here at Community Action right there on Eastern Avenue, she got a bunch of bags out of my car.
She didn't leave anything in the
She didn't leave nothing in my car,
Oh,
not her cards,
no
nothing.
new bags?
Nothing. And the only thing she left in here was that bag with her clothes in it. And I got it out of my car, put all her stuff that was in here still in it, and put it in there.
Is that a new bag down there?
Now that's just got my stuff, the rest of my stuff in it.
Just a regular bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, yeah, I mean,
That sounds like that's what she was mainly concerned about, is some stuff
Listen,
She
she
got her
took it.
kids.
I don't understand where she's trying to say it's at. You know?
Did you bring stuff here, like to set in there in the garage?
Just her black bag that she had in the car. That was it.
Okay.
He's got one little take her into jail with a bandage up like that. I don't know. She has a warrant for arrest. I haven't told her yet. And then plus she's probably got charges from this. So I mean, if you want us to, we can undo that and bring some off. We'll try to. That'd probably be better, right? Hey Chris. Hey Chris. That's what. Clean it up good so that way see.
Are you getting off work or going to work?
I was on my lunch break.
You're on your lunch break? Go around this way.
Miss Robertson?
Yeah.
So here's what we're going to do.
Uh-huh.
First, you do have a warrant for your arrest for probation.
I know that.
Okay, so you have to go to jail for that.
Okay.
For what happened here, I'm going to take you to jail for probably criminal damaging and some form of assault.
Okay.
Now, the credit card stuff. When you get out, if you can bring me your bank statements and I can look into it, I will.
Yes.
And if you can prove, or you can prove that he used your credit cards, I'll charge him with it.
Yeah.
But I got to go with what I can prove today.
Yeah.
And you swung a pole and
So my
at his car, you broke it.
like if my stuff's there, so can I at least take my purse with all my stuff in it? I do have edibles and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, edibles, weed. So I just take that out. But I at least want to take all my purse with me.
Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, we got to do with what we can prove today.
Yes.
You,
I already know.
You broke his window and you got minor injuries.
Is the blue car yours? No.
Okay.
No, that's someone sitting up there.
Is your hand hurt?
No.
Is it all right? All right. I'm gonna cuff you up, okay?
Yeah.
Just like, oh, here, I'll cuff you up in the front. Is that fine?
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, turn around.
He said in the front.
And she's gonna pat you down. You have anything on you?
No.
Okay. I'll have you sit on this side so you don't have to talk to him, okay?
Yeah.
When you get out, get all your stuff for the money, and then come into the police department and let me look at it, okay? Like I said, I think that's a big part of why you got angry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, okay. And I'm more than happy to look into it, but it's probably something we'll have to do after we get this part taken care of. So you just want your purse to go?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. What do you want me to do with the edible stuff? Because I don't think the jail will leave it in your
Just give
property.
it to my cousin in the blue shirt.
Okay. You could go through her purse and find whatever can't go to the jail.
Thank you.
Hey, how do y'all put money on books down there?
The machine down there.
Y'all can see that?
Yeah, she said she had some edibles or something in there. She'll just have you take them. She'll have a bond. She's getting charged with a misdemeanor for damaging.
She won't if it's a probation violation unless they have a. Is there a bond on?
Yeah, there'd be a bond on her warrant too. So
But
You know how
are you
much?
charging her with assault?
no. Call in. Give me like a half hour and then call in. Criminal damaging. It's an M2. Yeah, plus the warrant. Or hold on, it's M1. Yeah, M1. All right, Tanisha, it's going to be criminal damaging, which is still a misdemeanor.
The woman was taken into custody and charged with assault as well as multiple outstanding warrants. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.